Then take one iron fork and fork it down the ground and hold down the dog next to blood clot and then can draw out in head. And pull puppy seed in the hand and take one barber razor and touch the seed. Me say, dog, poop to mama ass clot. Me say, shit, oh God almighty. Me say, I don't know.
If you have a matic and wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate, a boy ramp on our friend to bust it.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV. Yo, yo.
Wash it done. What go on?
Love. Good morning, my brother.
What you doing, man?
Yes, man. Me die eat back.
No, I mean, when you small, they used to castrate. They're pretty still are doing. They used to castrate hog. Me used to them castrate. They used to castrate. Me never see them castrate dog nor puss, but me see them castrate hog before. You ever see that?
Yeah, so man, them no wickedness, man. They no weed them plant for draw knife for your seed, man. The woman him no girl. They no girl, the woman, you know. Some country them cut them pussy tongue to, you know, cause them have to work hard and they no want them have the glitter, cause glitter make them want fuck every minute and then cut it too. But in Jamaica now.
In Africa, some African country, them cut the woman.
Yes, but in Jamaica now, them man them they have to, right? They're not trouble the woman them and wickedness because me see that happen as you said too. The dog and the cow then take out them balls versus the cow where them want to work hard then say they not castrate him in we want fuck on in we get weak. So same way I'll find your band right now you should make the first broke all along in a boy. You see that you don't look. You can't dead no many life man have man. Anytime you broke out one of your life, you broke out, you know. That's why it bring forth life, you got me? So many life man have and Adam couldn't dead. At home 10 years Adam alone in a garden can't dead, you know. And as in fucking woman pussy God say man pick me go dead. Understand? And in one we know about life and death. Understand? We shouldn't live to every trial in Europe and wait because the world without hen.
Suppose one night time a man say, yo, come on boy, let me cut out the seed and make a fire. You that run?
Oh, you ask me, say, man, after you never go surrender to that, my brother, which man would surrender to that? Eh? You're mad to us, Claude. Me see them clamp the cow, man, and when the cow walk, man, oh God, the cow can hardly walk. Me say, I feel wide out in back foot to us, Claude, and I take the kite hot up, you know, man. And I say, me God, boy, you man being cruel to blood clot. Me say, then take one iron fork and fork it down the ground and hold down the dog next to blood clot and then can draw out in head. And pull puppy seed in the hand and take one barber razor and touch the seed. Me say, dog, poop to mama ass clot. Me say, shit, oh God almighty. Me say, I don't know why you man being wicked. I don't know why you man being wicked. I know everything.
When you say that poop when the razor touch you see?
Oh God almighty, man. Me say when the razor touch in the middle, man, the man poop and shit. Me say what a shit fly. Me say, oh God almighty, what a God. I say, oh you man being have them heart for them sit there, man. He wouldn't like nobody doing them sit there, man. Right?
What? When I look boy, you know, what boy? What boy used to run down me have a brother and I said, come here boy, let me cut out your seed. You see anything so? Oh gosh man, you want to
not lie, it happened to me too. Oh, me thing on me a blood clot. It happened to me to one man always. I got me blood clot. One man named Marjan always. I said, come here boy, make me cut out your seed. Shoot! Shoot your afraid I miss him, man. Afraid of the blood clot, man. If you just show me, see them cut out here, and the dog seed not here, me heard this man and say so. Right? No, bummer clot, man. If you know me afraid of Marjan, man. Right? It's truth. So it happened to you.
Me run like me hear news, man.
They're not gonna lie, man.
If I know a man I try, if a man say, come here, me cut out your seed. If you have good, me we run too.
Rascal, boy. Huh?
Me not gonna know what to do, you know?
Man have brass and that boy also. So in slavery days, then set the woman and the man them to destroy the man in also. When you have to fuck pushing no master, remember, boxer, weightlifter, karate, them have to keep them from fuck pushing no master and we weak out, you know. So, yes, when you fuck, you know, remember, you're weak, you know. Yeah, you're weak, man, and then you have to go hard work now to come with money, to buy shoes, uniform, book, this, that, and then fuck in the meantime. No, destroy man, master, woman, and fitness, destroy man, you know, boy.
All right.
Kill you out and them get big and take over.
Anytime them cut out dog seed, anytime them cut out a push seed, hog or cow, they lose them power, you know.
Lose power.
The
this
dog
fucking fitness strong. No, man. Anytime they get them, man, me say fat. Me say anytime they cut out the dog seed, this is a in fat. In no fuck out in your case. Cow, at them then take, yeah, at them then take and plow land. Them have to cut out the seed. Anyway, Marga don't kind of fuck, right? Yeah, same way human being. Yeah, same way human being, my brethren, right? If you're trying to rascal, me say if you no fuck, man, your favorite ras. You're trying to ras when you look on your highlight run off of your man toe, you shine and pretty, you know, right? No. The Rasta business now, it have a lot to do with us again. Because when some woman only want to use Rasta, you know, right?
That's true, man.
Yeah, they don't really serious to assist him.
You will did it as a Rasta for all of your life. And you meet a woman and she want you feel cut off your ear off of your head and your face and then with it.
That going out of it complete, brother, right? The Delilah thing I don't work with because my 3 daughters did dreadlocks and my baby mother did dreadlocks. Me is that type of, you know, when my family had to be one, right? I'm not a hypocrite. Me is the head of the home. And my family had to represent me, right?
But me know this woman, you know. Me know this woman take up a Rasta, man. And the man having locks that grow a few much years, you know. And the woman give the Rasta ultimatum, say, yo, you like me and me like, you know, but if you want we date and be together, you have to cut off it. And he cut off it.
Yes, some man is like that. Because some man licky, you know, right? They don't want to be independent. And woman will influence them with money, material things, you know, and make them do things out of the way. Because there's a lot of man where woman buy them house, buy them car, give them money, turn him pan him back and a fuck him and a ride the hood and just jump up off of the hood right over my fucking face and in a runner because in harass her, I'm going to lose every fucking thing. So I'm just surrender to it, you understand?
In the 80s and 90s, you know, see a lot of youth used to dip on the street. Also, some of them dip on the street because apparently they live, they don't have no home. And some of them, they have a home, but then go up on the street, go hustle, sell little bagos, sell little newspaper, sell little donkey card, and sweetie and clips and bubbles and anything if it help out them parents, you know. And a lot of youth get abused on the street when they go hustle. Remember of one instant this youth him a look in a gas station a look hustling to wash people car glass and to wipe it off. I know what man do at a gas station. Man take a pump where my pump the gas and spray the gas on the youth and the head to him foot, you know. And a little sparks with the matches or anything they go on there, that catch you out of fire and burn him up. So a whole heap of youth out there on the street. And a bad youth them just have a rough life and a lot of them go there to help out them parents who can keep a roof over their head and food. in them belly. You know?
It's true, my brethren. You see, most youth is unwanted, you know, right? Remember, I just sweet fuck, man and woman a look, and accidentally push a breed. But them never plan to no picnic, right? So that's why these picnic are to under carton box and pizza all over the place in a Kingston here, man. And the system see them, and they don't try to assist them, and they're going to a rough life as you're being sent to Mario, because when them asleep all the night, you can't believe, you know, just up on some building top and in some corner, which part you can't believe nobody there. And then terrible people afraid of them because they know no abiding city, you don't know if you find them, and anyhow, then come and wipe all your car glass and you run them and then fling and lick out all the car glass. And that's one, that's stuff. Lord, my God, killing him is not good enough. Sending him to prison is not good enough. Your expensive car glass lick out, so them afraid of them, you know, and them burn up them one another when them asleep all the night. By the another one week, you know, seeing shoes, then take time, take off in shoes, and then grind them one another to another. Mr. Rasta, oh God, oh God, oh God. What a sad, sad world, brother. Imagine some people. Eh? Oh God, man. When you look at the amount some people have, cannot manage it, right? And imagine the youth them is innocent. And them bring themselves here, right? And they don't make no way for them like here over America, the way they can go and get a little welfare, right? You walk in 1 month, looking little work, you can't get none. You know, one half is where you go and get even $100 to buy even 1 pound of flour and little sugar. Even roast the flour, them and make little sugar. Nothing. Then crime no much exist at them a place. So, brother, who are going to stand up at them? With the other side, dead younger now come. And you them terrible on the road because I'm afraid of them, you know. When me see them, my brethren, me not try stopping no boy because them PST and just to them know if them do nothing, you don't know if you find them, you know.
So some of them have some cruel intention, man. So you have to stay far because you don't know when they mind, you know.
Then hold on, one brethren I walk around a New Kingston. And see 3 of them sit down, attack, and one say, my cocky longer than yours, you know. You can't take my wood, you know. And my brethren go look. And one of them say, boy, where I look and we suffer. And him said, me not busy with you, no, me hear what you see already. Who tell him to say so? The 3 man jump up and back long knife and start running down, and I say, see what back him, man, yo. See what? The man says, no foot, you see nothing. Then kill him around there because them are running down on a ball out and him here, them and say, them slackness and go look and you see how them stay there.
Yeah. So we have to although some of you them on the street are suffer. Some of them are bad boy on the street too. Some of the street youth them are bad boy too.
Then listen, man. Some people don't like them because Muta, Baruka, a pass down at the van house there on the stop sign and one go a wipe him on car glass. And Muta push out in and say, no, black people pitney mustn't wipe car glass. Who tell him to say so? The boy push in his head and said, Muta, you bow. Mr. Muta fly the door and run him down with a long knife, let a rascal. If he no foot, you see, they must say the big entertainer shouldn't do that, right? But he had the ras man. If you know him now, say nothing bad to him, man. The boy have a push in the head to him. Dread your bow. Mr. Run him down couple yard well and hold him in one man and then turn back. That man, as people say, oh, my big and a waste time. But sometimes the least thing you make going in your good mood and the least thing some people say to you sometimes your head will slip, you know. Right? Yeah.
That's true, man.
At the moment, maybe man in a good mood, you know. And this fucking little chink, right? come and talk about Dread, you bow. Tell me now. If you mean catch him in nasty who bow in a rat class, man. You understand? Like,
the other day, I watch a video. America incident happened. You have some neighbor they live opposite one another, and snow fall and cover in front of the yard. So them have trouble with the use trouble of the snow, so that they can walk free and in the yard front. And me don't know what kind of argument the two neighbor have. And when a man go for one gun, and shot the next man and his wife, kill them, you know. And then shot himself. The reason why I do that, and there's a thing we call confrontation. And I have some people is very confrontational. The least little thing you say to them, they're ready to fight and they're ready to bad up themselves. Why?
You're right, you know you.
Then could I just walk away? You see what I say? And if those two people did walk away, they would still their life today, but they might bad up themselves and not even know if a man has gone to shoot them.
All right. You see one news where about 4 women beat one little girl up, must see them a pass, she a pass them and must see look on them and the girl say, where you look on me suffer? And she turned back and gone confront them and the 4 of them turned down on her and beat her body, no man telling her up a hospital. And me hear the mama even say to her, say, then just show them say, where you look on me suffer that you turn back for? Eh? Come. You know much man and me catch up a road in an accident and him a jump out and I express himself the aggressive way and I say I'm wrong. And me I say, humble man, humble. No matter what the problem is, sir, please don't take it the rash way. Dear brother, the problem will solve better. Here, me no wrong and you no wrong. White name accident. It is accidentally done. Right? Me don't purposely see you and say, all right, see me and now me I go kill him. Right? You know aware, me no aware. Accident do occurred. So please, don't get on top, man, and express the aggressive way. Right? Please. The problem is solved. And in here. You hear, sir? Me comment.
Yeah. You have a thing when you road rage, you know. Mm-hmm. You drive on the road as well, you say, well, I go, and because a man say you bad minding, bad driving, you bad driving. Him drive you down, you know, make sure wind down in window, you know. And the place when tell if you go suck. And if you don't mind sharp, just keep going, don't say nothing to him because a lot of them out there ticking time bomb, you know. And because you go in an argument with him now, you don't have no gun, you have him gun for him lap in a car. You just take out and no shot you and you run off a road and crash and dead. So, not because you feel say you have something to say. Some of the time, you better not even say nothing.
True, my brother, fire can't hold fire, my brother. I may keep telling people that all the time. So when problem occurs, you don't take it the rash way. Please. It will be harder to solve because people will wrong. And just through your rash with him no want to accept him wrong again. He want to drive back at you. Here? Yeah. That's not good enough. Problem cannot solve problem, please. So when you see people get fiery, take water and hold him. Fire can't hold fire. Right?